How to uninstall programs from Windows 11 10 using the command prompt. So I will show you the perfect process. So let me start with the video. So here come to search bar and search for CMD. Here the command prompt option, just click on it. So here the window you can maximize the size like, and here we need to give the first prompt, which is WMIC. Hit the enter, and here you need to type get a product name. Sorry, you need to type here product get name. Hit the enter. Okay, so here you will get the all programs which is installed on your window. Okay, now here we need to give the another prompt, which is here product where name, program name, and call uninstall. So here from here you need to copy that program name. Just select that program name like this, right click on this toolbar, go here and okay, just select that program file and right click on it, and here use your keyboard arrows and just select that program name, delete that program name and paste here that copied program name here. Okay, we need to replace that program name with the actually program names. Okay, so how can copy? I show you. Just select that program name and just right click on it, it will be copy. Now you need to just hit the enter, then it will be uninstalled perfectly. Then you can restart your PC. Now this program will be uninstalled perfectly. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.